HP Omen 17.3-inch gaming laptop Omen 17-1QL59. Review deal discount unboxing setup. The HP Omen 17W295NR is born to be an unstoppable portable war machine, ready for the challenge anytime, anywhere. Armed with 7th General Intel Core quad-core processor and NVidia GeForce GTX 10 series graphics, it delivers the raw power you need to conquer the most demanding AAA titles. Sense every pulse-pounding moment for a totally engrossing experience. With audio by Bang & Olufsen and a FHD IPS display, you can take your game to the next level. Experience precise command and control even in dim conditions with the Dragon Red backlit keyboard. Key features: 7th generation Intel Core i7-7700HQ processor, up to 3.8 GHz. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 4GB GDDR5. 17.3-inch Full HD IPS display 1920 by 1080. 16 GB DDR4 memory, backlit keyboard, DVD writer. 1 TB HDD plus 256 GB NVMe SSD, Bang & Olufsen premium audio. Arrived on time and runs perfectly. The battery seems to last forever on a single charge, compared to my last laptop that had to be plugged into the power supply pretty much 24/7. The design is sleek and lightweight, the speaker is crystal clear, and the backlit keyboard enhances its attractiveness and capabilities. No regrets here. Great gaming laptop. I love it. Would highly recommend. 99% perfect? The fan is a little loud if you do recording, but I got around by instead of using the desk mic I use a mic attached to the headphones. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.